Hello guys, this is Mahds, and with all of this crazy things happening all around and stay at home thing, so I thought we will start cooking. And what I decided to do is to start cook from house instead of just order food from outside. So I'm looking to cook something that will not be expensive, a little bit cheap, easy to make, fast to do. We'll start with this thing that include eggs and tomato. In this part of the world they call it shakshuka. So if this is type of something that you might be interested in, please join the channel. Just press that subscribe button. And okay, with that being said, let's get into it. So we'll start with the eggs. We'll start to beat it, but not much. Just make sure that the egg yolks mixed with the egg white thing. Very good. And we'll just leave it aside. I prefer always to keep everything next to me ready before I start, so it will be fast for me to do everything. I have these the tomatoes, the green pepper, and onions. I like to add some cheese, and these are the starters. Batter. It will start just right. As you see, I don't have a kitchen, just I created my own in my room. So let's start with this. This is just one onion. We chop it into small pieces, as you can see, and we will keep turn it here until it become golden color. Well, let's just make one thing clear. I'm not a chef. I never cooked in my life, so this is just my not my first time, but I just started cooking lately, so it gives a very nice smell. Very nice. The green pepper now. I love the smell of cooking. Actually, I used to order everything from outside restaurants. This crazy thing going on, I don't trust to buy anything from outside. Plus, this one is cheaper and more healthier and fresh, of course. Tomatoes now. So I chop or cut 2 tomatoes, medium size. You know what? I'll add this butter also because I can feel that it's already dried. So let's just add this. Very good. I'll add a little bit salt. That's it. So why I put this, it will keep the heat inside and it will make the whatever we added inside well done. It will make it very fast, almost well done. Then we will add the eggs. Let's see what will happen after that. Keep mixing it so it will not stuck at the bottom of this wok. I'll add black pepper here and on the eggs. So I'll add a little bit here. That's enough. This is optional. It's up to you. This is Kimball. This is a chili garlic sauce. I like to add that sometimes just to make my mix a little bit spicy, and it has garlic, so It's a double good. I will not add much, and I will just mix it. I did not add much of black pepper because I will add also in the eggs itself before I put it, because after I put the eggs I will not mix. You will see just right now. I will just add a little bit salt here, and also a little bit black pepper. Not much, just make sure it's mixed. When you add the eggs, do not mix. That's the trick. Okay, so we'll spread the eggs all over. So what we are going to do, we'll just wait to get almost well done, but because normally it will go and stuck in the bottom, so we'll just try to squeeze a little bit, so it will not stuck. Just shake it in both sides. Leave it a little bit, but don't leave it much, otherwise it burn. And that's it. Now you don't want to overcook it, it will lose the juices. You can cook it based on your taste. Maybe you like it too juicy, maybe you like it too well done, it's up to you, but I like to be balanced. Now you can do one last thing. For me, I like to add this type of cheese where it will add also an extra taste. For you, you can just eat it directly like that. It is up to you. Now after you finish this, you can now either you eat it directly from the wok, you can put it in a plate, it depends on how much dishwashing you want to do, or you can just dip it with bread, or add it as a sandwich in a French bread. It's up to you. You have so many choices to do here. Keep it closed so it will contain the heat. And that's it, guys. What do you think? Just put down in the comment what do you think. If you did it and you like it, just come back here and press like, or you can just press like right now, and don't forget subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.